everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful you took the time and wanted to quilt with me. This is wonderful. We are working on a mystery quilt and we are working on block number 8. So excited. We are 2/3 into the quilt. We are making such a wonderful progress. The blocks are looking amazing. Oh, I can't wait to see the finished quilt. Are you lining the blocks on the grid? Doesn't it look nice? Oh, I'm having so much fun with you guys. This is amazing. Today for block number 8, I have chose my fabrics and I'm working with the Perfect Union collection. Many of you have the fabrics. If you do not have it, just match up any of your fat quarters in the shades of blues, a medium, light, and dark, and a few light fabrics for the accent. Recipes are all on our blog. Every day I'm posting, but if you're just starting, go to the first blog that we posted for the mystery quilt, and then you're gonna find all about the fabrics. But enough talking. We're excited because we're making another wonderful blocks. Today block, we're gonna make 12 totals, 8 in one color option and 4 in a second color option. So look at this. I chose some wonderful medium blues and a light as my accent. That little star is so wonderful. It's just amazing. So next what we're going to do, we're gonna cut our pieces and we're gonna cut blue square 2.5 by 2.5, 2 half square triangles. They're 2 7/8 square, cut once diagonally, and 1 half square triangle that it's 4 7/8. Oh, this looks wonderful. We're gonna start by taking the square and one of the half square triangles in light, placing the pieces right sides together, stitch it, flip it open, just like this. Then I'm gonna come from this side and do the same thing. Place it right side together, stitch it, and flip it open. I have one started for you. I always get prepared because I'm excited to see you. So right here, notice that I stitch. I push my seam allowance towards the square right there. Then this one, once I place it right sides together and stitch it, I'm gonna push this seam allowance. Let me see how I did it. Yep, I pushed this seam allowance towards the light. Why do I check on this? Because I practice and I made sure that when I sew later on over right here, I don't want to have a big bump. If I push both towards the dark, this was a little bit bumpy. So I have chose to push one seam allowance towards the dark and one towards the light. And look at this. As soon as you finish, you're gonna place your triangle, sew it, and if you wanted to, hold it from this side so that way you can see where the crossing of the threads are. So you're stitching and you're not gonna lose a point right here. As soon as you finish stitching, you're gonna go ahead, open it up, press it, and now it's time to place your beautiful 4.5-inch ruler over, square things up, and you have a beautiful, beautiful block number 8. And this is first color option and this is the second color option. I have the light right here and a beautiful blue right here with the 2 half square triangles. And now I'm ready, set, go, waiting to tomorrow to make another block with you. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with me and making the Mystery 2021 so special by joining in. We very much appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this quilt and I look forward to see you tomorrow. Happy quilting!